good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 4 from verse 27 to verse 42. Jesus and the Samaritan woman, part 3. Same time now, Jesus follower them come back and them shocked to find him a talk to one woman. But nobody never said to her, "Where you want?" And none of them never asked him say, "We make you talk to her." So the woman now, she left the water pan where she carried to put water in her, and she run go back in the town. When she reached there, she said to the people them, "Udo come look for one man will tell me about all of the sitting them me ever do. Udo think say him could have had the Christ." Then the people them left out of the town and make for which part Jesus did there. Said time that did a go on, Jesus follower them did a beg him for nyam sitting. Them said to him say, "Teacher, nyam sitting no." But Jesus tell them say, "Me have food for nyam where uno no know nothing about." So they start say to them one another, "Nobody then carry nothing come give him for nyam. Not true. For me food," Jesus said to them, "I fi do where the one we send me come here want me fi do, and fi finish up the work in give me. No uno say plant today, gather 4 months after. But I dey tell you no, open up on the eye and look on the farmland them. The food them fit and ready for reap up. The somebody will gather up the food and get fee pay. And the food when they gather are people where going to live forever. So now, him we plant and him we gather. The two of them went glad together. So I choose certain people are talk about, we don't hear them say, one somebody plant seed, but somebody else gather the food. Me send you out for gather up when you no work hard for plant. Other people do the hard work and you hungry go in and I gather up where them work hard for plant. No. No for the Samaritan people them when they left out of the town, they believe in a Jesus. Them believe in him sake of what the woman did tell them say. She say, "Him tell me about everything we may ever do." So when them find Jesus, them beg and beg him for not left them, but for stand there with them. So him stand there with them 2 more days. And whole heap more of them trust in him sake of what him say. Then said to the woman, say, "I know just true you tell we about him make we believe in him. A car we see and hear him for ourselves. And sake of that we know say a really damn man here I go save the world for true. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God."